So I gave this method to my friend and she was able to get her channel to 1.7k subscribers. Right now her channel is over 2,000 subscribers, which is 2 point something k subscribers. I also use this particular method to get this channel to over 16,000 subscribers. This channel was literally getting over 1,000 subscribers within just 3 days. I'm going to be sharing with you everything that I was able to do on this particular channel and everything that I was able to give that my friend to also do on her channel. And this thing is just one thing, so not like we're doing two things, we're just going to do one thing.
I'm going to be exposing the tricks she shared on this video, whether you should go ahead to do it as a growing creator. I'm going to be spilling all the tea in this video. You would want to watch this video to the end to find out the advantages and the disadvantages of applying these tricks she shared in this video if you really love your YouTube channel. I repeat, if you really love your YouTube channel, you'd want to watch this video from the beginning to the end to find out the advantage and the disadvantage of applying the tricks she shared in this video. Majority of the time, I'm here on YouTube searching for how to grow my YouTube channel, how to get views on my YouTube channel, how to make money online. These type of topics are what intrigues me and what I have interest in. So in case you also fall under the same category with me, like you want to start making money online, you want your YouTube channel to grow, you want to consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to other of our colleagues who are also interested in this type of topic, so they can see this video and learn whether they should go ahead to do it or not. I don't want to waste your time. Let's get started with the video.
Let's dive right into everything that will give you 1,000 subscribers within just 3 days. This thing we are actually going to be using is just one thing, which is shorts. I'm going to show you how you're going to use this short not to get copyright and also to be successful with all of these. Okay, I've started my screen record and then I'm going to be showing you the first thing you're going to do. So the first thing you're going to do is to go ahead to your Play Store or your Apple Store, whichever one you are using. So I'm going to be using Play Store, and then you're going to be downloading Instant Downloader or Instagram Downloader, which one you feel you can download. So anyone that you feel it's okay for you, Instant Saver and every other stuff, just download it. Okay, and then after getting all of this, the next thing for you to do is to head straight to your Instagram account. We'll just go to our Instagram. I'm just going to go to the search button. I am going to be looking out for what will actually catch people's attention, and of which that is what I actually told that's my friend.
Basically, what this creator is teaching you is simply to go to your Play Store if you make use of Android, or go to your Apple Store if you make use of iPhone, then install an IG downloader. You need to download that from your Play Store or your Apple Store on your phone. Then after doing that, you move to your Instagram, and on the search section of your Instagram, you'll be seeing short videos. It might be wedding videos, it might be hack video, any sort of videos that you know that this video has a tendency of going viral. You download it and remove Instagram watermark. Under the short section of your channel, you do a little bit of editing, which requires you to remove the original sound from that video and use a trendy sound from YouTube and put a catchy caption on this video and post it. And since you know that this video has the tendency of going viral, if your video goes viral, it will be getting you subscribers. That's basically what she stated in this video. Now, does this method work or it doesn't work? To be honest with you guys, it actually works. If you want to get 100,000 subscribers in 1 week using this method that this creator shared in this video, you'll be able to even get 1 million subscribers maybe in 2 months if you're serious about it, and if you're really downloading videos that really goes viral.
Even if you want to use this show to get your 100,000 subscribers, trust me, within a space of time like this, it is going to come. But the problem is your revenue is just going to be second to nothing.
One thing you want to understand as a growing creator is that yes, it's true that YouTube Shorts actually gives you the subscriber you need, and I'm very happy that she stated it in this video that those subscribers you're getting from these viral videos, there's a very high possibility that they're not going to be interested on your long form videos.
This is the disadvantage with those subscribers that those shorts will be having. The disadvantage is that most people that will be coming from those short videos will not be so much interested in your long form videos.
And mind you, these short videos that you posted that brought them to your channel is not even your original content. You downloaded it from another platform and you posted it. And for those of you who do not know, you can take YouTube to be a business. YouTube is a very lucrative business. In case you don't know, there's so much money here on YouTube, although I'm not monetized. But I'm very much aware that YouTube is a very lucrative business that not everybody is aware of. But now I've shared that with you in case you do not know. Okay, you finally get your 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, or even 100,000 subscribers. And when you post your long form videos, this huge number of subscribers you have are not interested in your videos. Don't you think you've damaged or you've destroyed your channel? Anybody who comes to your channel to watch a video will be thinking that, oh, you bought these subscribers. That's the impression you'll be giving to people who will come to watch your video, right? Imagine having 100,000 subscribers and when you post a video, you can't even have 100 views on your video simply because your subscribers are not interested in watching your long form videos. So what is in need of you being in a hurry to grow and have 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 subscribers when these people are not going to be interested in your content? I don't understand. I don't understand. Make it make sense to me. I want to grow on YouTube. I want to start making money on YouTube. Or do you actually think that the number of subscribers you have on your YouTube channel is actually what equates to the money you have on YouTube? You guys, that's not how it works.
Even if you like get 100,000 watch hour coming from your shorts alone, those watch hours can never monetize you.
How to make money here on YouTube is based on the number of views you have on your videos. How long does these people who click on your video to watch it, how long do they watch it? The geographical location of these people watching your video, where are they located? Are they based in first world countries, second world countries, or developing countries? All of this has a role to play on how much you make from YouTube. As long as you have your 1,000 subscribers and you're monetized, the number of subscribers you have doesn't really matter anymore.
Short videos pay T-pence, okay? The only video that will actually pay you very well when it comes to YouTube is your long video.
Right? Am I making sense? Give this video a thumbs up so YouTube can recommend this video to as many small creators as possible. And leave a comment for me in the comment section if you're getting any information, tangible information from this video. You're just getting people to occupy space that are valuable persons that are supposed to be there to watch your videos. Okay, let me give you an instance. If you see a YouTube channel that has 100 subscribers and when they post their video gets 50 views, they get 100 views, they get 200 views, wouldn't you want your channel to be like that? A majority of people who watch their videos are their subscribers. Wouldn't you want your channel to be like that? Or you see a channel that has 1,000 subscribers and when they post their videos, they'll be getting views that equates to the number of subscribers they have. Don't you think that that's what you want for your channel? Let me know. This is just a question. But then if after watching this video you want to go ahead to still follow the trick of gaining number of subscribers, it's left for you. For me, I'm looking for a creator who teaches how to get the 4,000 watch hour. It's not by buying it. I'm not looking for paying money to buy the 4,000 watch hours. Because if you really want to take YouTube as a business, buying the 4,000 watch hours, after buying it, then what next? How are you going to make the money that you're here on YouTube for? Am I making sense? I want to share with you guys something that happened to my channel, right? I'm going to be putting screenshots here. I just have one screenshot. I'll share it here. So my channel has hit the 500 subscriber milestone 2 times. And every single time I want to sit down here to say thank you guys for 500 subscribers, when I go and check, people are unsubscribing from my channel. And I keep asking myself, I post YouTube shorts, but the YouTube shorts I post are mine. Whether it goes viral or it doesn't go viral, it doesn't really matter to me. My interest is on growing the long form videos and people watching my video. If you enjoy watching my videos and you feel like you want to subscribe to this channel because you enjoy the type of videos she creates, then you subscribe. That's the kind of subscribers I'm looking for. I'm not looking for the number of subscribers and then you're not watching my videos, right? The first time it happened, I was really hot that, oh, 500 subscribers finally after 4 years on YouTube. And now I've lost about 30 of the subscribers. On the same day that I gained the 500 subscribers, I didn't buy them. I didn't go viral anywhere. I don't know what happened. I gained 500 subscribers and I lost 30 subscribers. On the 31st of August, my channel hit 500 subscribers again. I was thinking there was a glitch on YouTube, that YouTube was dashing me subscribers and also taking the subscribers at the same time, thereby messing with my mental health. Do you understand? When you want to grow, you're seeing the growth and you're losing the growth. The second time it happened, I had to take a screenshot, which I will share here, to be sure that I'm not hallucinating, right? And again, people say unsubscribing again, and you guys can see the number of subscribers I have. I think it's currently at 481 subscribers. So currently, the state of mind I have knowing all this about YouTube is, if you come to my channel, you watch it, and you relate to the content I put out, and you feel you need to subscribe because you enjoy the kind of content and you relate to them, kudos. It simply means that whenever I post a video, you're going to watch it. But then when you come to my channel, you watch it, you don't enjoy it, please don't subscribe. Do not subscribe, because I'm actually not looking for huge number of subscribers. What I'm looking for is audience. Watch my video, enjoy it, learn one or two things from me or from the video, and if these are things you want to keep learning, then it simply means that whenever I post video, you're going to come back and watch it. And it really makes YouTube recommend my channel because it's healthy. I don't know if I'm making sense to you. So as a small creator or a growing creator, your focus shouldn't be on 1,000 subscribers. If you create quality video and you're very fortunate that this video goes viral or people enjoy this video, they share it, that video will gain you subscribers. That every single time you make a video related to this particular viral video, they will always watch it. And that is why there is a niche on YouTube. That's why you be hearing bigger creators telling you focus on a niche, get a niche and be creating your content based on this particular niche. So if your video goes viral, nobody will share this with you, but I'm sharing it with you. If any of your video goes viral, then it simply means that this is the type of thing that will be working for your channel. Because this viral video is going to get you subscribers, number one. Every single time you make content relating to this particular viral videos, people will watch it because that's what brought the subscribers on your YouTube channel. It simply means that this is the type of content they will enjoy. So every single time you make posts relating to that particular topic, they would watch it. Am I making sense? There's a video I posted before this one. Try to watch it. I'm going to put it here. Get 2,000 views now. That woman, before she shot that video, she had 284 subscribers. But now that video went viral and gave her 10,000 views. And as of the moment, she's currently at 608 something, going to 700 subscribers. Am I making sense to somebody? So as a small creator, please and please, your focus should not be on the number of subscribers. Your focus should be getting the 4,000 watch hours. 4,000 watch hours is very big. It's very hard to get. You can get your 1,000 subscribers from the 4,000 watch hours. As long as people are watching your videos, people are definitely going to subscribe. So she did mention of 2 channels that she recommended this for, and it moved them from watch subscribers to watch subscribers. Let's check out for one of those channels and let's see how the channel is actually performing. But then I'm not in any way trying to ridicule the channel or the creator. I'm not in any way trying to ridicule anybody. I just want you guys to understand what I'm saying, that yes, you get the number of subscribers, but are these people actually watching your video? Alright, so I'm currently on the channel she recommended, right? And just like I said, how do you make this make sense to me? If you're a growing YouTuber and you already started doing this trick, please stop it. You're damaging your channel. You're destroying your channel. It is not healthy for your channel. You're destroying it. But notwithstanding, I also want to appreciate Sonia. She simply made it because she has seen a lot of growing YouTubers desperate for growth on their channel. So she basically just shared an idea of how you can skyrocket your growth here on YouTube. So I give her upload, but then you guys, this is not healthy for the growth of your channel. I repeat, emphasis on if you want to take your YouTube channel to be a business. There's so much money on YouTube, and you don't want, because you don't want to go through the hustle, the struggle of growing it organically. You end up destroying it, and later on you start complaining. Hope I made sense. I'm going to be trying out things I see on the internet, especially here on YouTube. Try it out for myself first. The ones I know that are going to be dangerous to my YouTube channel, I'm not going to try it. I will only come here and let you guys know that, see, this thing is good though, but this is going to be the outcome when you're done doing it. So if you want this type of content, you enjoy it, you want to know more, you want to learn more, you don't want to fall into, subscribe for more of it. Give the video a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it and share this video. All right, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'm going to see you in another video. Until then, bye.